Hello students, in this video I will teach you chapter number 3 from English Reader. The name of the chapter is Growing Up Pains. I will quickly summarize the chapter for you. Further you are going to read the chapter line by line. If there is any line you don't understand, you can always ask me. I'll start with reading the summary. Sameer is anxious of acne. It is destroying his face, but he knows that the acne is a mark of children becoming an adult. His voice is changed into rough. It has no sweetness anymore. He thinks perhaps he has caught cold, but such roughness often goes with the common cold. So a character has been introduced. The name of the character is Sameer. He is growing up now. He's become a teenager. So when you become a teenager, what happens? You come across puberty in life, where things change. Your appearance changes, your voice changes. So what happened with this boy? As he grew up, he had acne on his face. Acne is pimples, which shows that puberty is hitting him. His voice was no longer sweet. He sounded like a man, and there was a lot of roughness in the voice. He thought that it is cold, but cold does not have this level of roughness. That's when he realized that he is no more a child, he is growing up into an adult, which is why he is facing these changes in his body. The common cold is uncommon for his parents. He will call for a doctor who is bound to pump all types of medicines into his system. His parents think that he is attacked by a dangerous cold which may kill him. He understands that his parents have their fear, but he is also not free from fear. His fear haunts his mind too, but he decides that only cowards have fear. He is not a coward, so he should not fear. Now, if once his voice started to change, his parents also feared. They thought that he has bad cold. Your parents are always worried about you. Even if you have a slightest problem, they will think that it is a major one. So when his parents came across this change in his voice, they thought that he has dangerous cold. So they used to call the doctors and give him all sorts of medicines. Parents have their own fears. They want the best for their children. Similarly, Sameer had feared himself too. He did not want these changes to take place because it was a little upsetting and disturbing also. But he realized that fear is only for cowards and he's not a coward. As he is growing up, he wants to maintain his privacy. There is a curtain hanged on the door, but his mother has no care for this curtain. She usually enters his room unmindful to the curtain of privacy, but Sameer does not feel better at this act of his mother. So as you grow up, you need your own privacy. When you grow up, you demand that mom, I need a separate room for myself. So that shows that you're trying to become independent. Similarly, when Sameer used to be there in his room, he did not, earlier when he was a child, he was never feeling bad about his mother coming to the room without knocking the door and cleaning up things. But as he is growing up, he realizes that it irritates him that without permission my mother is entering my room, or even without knocking, she does not respect my privacy. These are the complaints. He is growing up, he's thinking of all these things. Once, Sameer wanted to attend a party at his friend Vishal's house. He also desires to stay out of the house till his friends leave the party. But he is not allowed by his mother. His proposal is denied and he becomes impatient. So when you grow up, you want to, meet your friends, go at their house parties and stay there for long. And you know how mothers are, you have to reach by 9 o'clock. And so similar thing happened with Sameer. And when this happened, he argued that he wanted to stay there till all his friends leave, but the mother denied. And he ended up not going to the party. He felt very sad, he was angry also, just like you would also be with your mother. So, this thing happened and he became impatient also. He did not like whatever happened. He felt that he's no more a baby, he's no more a little child, he has grown up, he is growing up, so he should be allowed to do these things, and he felt he was able to take good care of himself. But again, parents know everything, so the mother denied and he could not do anything about it. So at last, what happened? After the mother denied, Sameer got very angry. For a while, he did not talk to his mother, and he was showing all those tantrums. But finally, the parents came to Sameer's room. They sat with him and tried to explain him that they are worried about him, that it is his youth that is, drawing his attention towards such things which will not end up in a good way. So at last, Sameer and his parents became real friends. They decided that they would take the advice of one another. Sameer's problems will always be heard. His parents' suggestions would be those as coming from true friends. Hence, they all have decided to learn from one another. So finally, they thought that they will come to a decision. The parents told Sameer that no matter whatever you feel, whatever complaints you have, you will always come and talk to us about it. We will listen to everything and always make sure that when we are giving you advice, think that your true friend, your best friend is giving you an advice. Think that we are your best friends and always maintain that level of comfort with us. Always communicate with us so that whenever you are in a problem, we can solve it for you and we'll give you the right suggestions also. So this is how they became friends and the chapter ended on a positive note. So in short, the chapter is all about how you grow up, how puberty hits you, how there are physical changes in your body, how your hormones change, and how as you grow up, your mentality, your level of thinking also changes. But it all depends on how you think. Just a suggestion, you are still growing up, you are in that age. Always consult your parents and always talk to them because at the end of the day, they are the only ones who can get you out of any kind of trouble you are in. So that's it for the chapter. I hope you have understood the main idea. Please read it line by line. If there is any line that you don't understand, you can always ask me. Thank you so much for your patience, all of you.